Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss how we can mass delete records in Salesforce. Sometimes we need to cleaning the data or fixing the error, so we need to delete loads of data at a time. So in this video, we are going to tell how we can safely and efficiently delete bulk record in Salesforce. So let's start it. So firstly, I would like to explain you what is mass deletion in Salesforce. Mass deletion in Salesforce refers to the process of deleting multiple records of a specific object in one go. This feature is useful for maintaining data hygiene and clearing unnecessary or duplicate records. However, Salesforce applies the certain restriction and best practices to ensure data integrity. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss the delete record using inbuilt mass delete record tool method in Salesforce. So let's start it. And firstly logged in into our Salesforce account. So move to your Salesforce account first, and here we go. You can see we logged in into our Salesforce account, and then move to the setup option. Firstly click on the gear icon and then click on the setup, and it will redirect us to the setup home page, and from here we will navigate to the tool that is mass delete record. So here I enter the mass delete in the quick find box, and here you can see there is a mass delete record option present under the data. Click on this mass delete records and the mass delete record page is open, and here we can see that the mass delete account, mass delete lead, mass delete activities, mass delete contacts, cases, solution, products, records, all data are present here. Or we can say that here, or we can say that this tool is limited for few objects, like we cannot delete the opportunity record from this tool. So here I will show you how we can mass delete the record from the object that are available in this tool. So for example, let's take the lead, and we have to click on this mass delete leads option. Click on this mass delete leads. So here you can see the setup of mass delete leads, and here you can see the steps. Here is the first step, review what will happen when you mass delete your leads, and the next step is recommendation prior to the mass deletion, and the third step is to find the leads that match the following criteria. In the third step, we have to match the criteria to delete the records. That means we apply the filters. So here I select the lead source as a filter. So firstly I select the lead source, and then which is equals to the web. At the web, here you can see we apply the filter in which lead source is equal to the web, and then click on the search, and here we go, scroll down. Here you can see the records which is related to the lead source equal to the web are shown here. You can simply click on the checkbox that is present before the name, and it select all the checkbox if you want to delete the bulk record. If you do not want to delete all the records, then uncheck it and then select one by one which record you want to delete. And here I want to delete these three record: Boxer Bertha, Cotton Files, and Daddio JR Bill. And then I click on the delete button. And here we go. I again scroll down, and here you can see which record we are selected are not shared under this list. So this means our three records are deleted successfully, and this is how we can delete the mass record by this mass delete record option. Or we can say that this is how you can delete multiple records using the mass delete tool in Salesforce Lite. So with this we have learned how to delete multiple records using the mass delete tool in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.